So guys, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. As I said, Chef Will was away for a while. So guys, now I'm back trying to get my videos up again. Hope you guys keep on sharing them for me and showing the love. Subscribe to the channel if you're new right now watching the channel. I'm Chef Will and Will's Kitchen Table. I'm trying to get back my channel on the road, guys. I've been off for a few weeks. As I said, I got a loved one passed away. So kind of dropped me off track a bit, so try to get back up there. So this is what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna be making my pumpkin pie recipe. You guys are gonna love this. It's amazing. So hope you guys stay tuned. Let's get this going. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm putting inside of my pumpkin pie. Here I got 1 1/4 cup of flour right here. I'm just gonna sieve it right in this strainer right here. And this is a really simple recipe, guys. Nothing too hard to make. All right. Just gonna get this flour sieve here. So what I did, I put a 1/4 cup of salt in here, and I also put a tablespoon of sugar. So as I said, this 1 1/4 cup of flour. All right. So this is the crust that we're making right now, the pie crust. I'll show you guys the filling for the pumpkin puree. Nothing beat your homemade pie, guys. Trust me. All right. So that's nicely set. We're just gonna set this aside. All right, and I'm not putting it in a mixer. I'm just using a simple spoon right here to do it. And I got my 1/2 cup of butter right here. What I'm gonna do, simple and easy. I'm just gonna grate this butter right here, right inside this flour right here, guys. Make it pretty easy. All right. So all you need is your 1/2 cup of cold butter. Make sure your butter is nice and cold. That works well. You just grate it right in there. Or you can just use a fork, whatever you have to smash it right inside the flour there evenly. Should work. All right. This is just a way I find fast and easy for me. Just let my hands get messy. You can use your gloves. If your hands are clean, you can use your hands and do this, all right? But there's water, guys. We can wash our hands, right? So get it done quickly. This is a great way of doing it, all right? Right inside the grater, all right? I'm just gonna wash my hands and we'll jump right back in. We're gonna get that mixed. This is the deal. Just use a fork and mix that right inside the flour there. So you mush it a little bit more inside. That should work. All right, just gonna make a little well inside the middle, right there. And I got a 1/4 cup of icy cold water. All right, that's all we need inside. 1/4 cup. All right, perfect. Pour that right inside. Just gonna use this spoon here and mix this nicely. All right. Got that all coming together already. Beautiful. You just wanna mix this right in. You can also get your hands inside. All right, nicely. Looks good. All right, guys, so we're gonna get this right on the board, all right? So guys, look at this baby right here. What I'm gonna do, all right, we're just gonna get some plastic wrap right here, guys, and we're gonna get this inside the fridge. Gonna wrap this nicely. We're gonna set this inside the fridge. You can let it sit for about half an hour to an hour, nice and cold. Take it out. We're gonna roll it out with our rolling pin right here, guys, and we're gonna get our pie crust ready for the pumpkin pie. All right, guys. All right, guys. So it's time to get the filling for the pumpkin pie going. So right here, I'm gonna show you. I got 15 ounces of the puree pumpkin right here. As I said, you can cook off your pumpkin and puree it, or you can use the one in the can. All right, right here I'm using the one from the can, guys, and I got 2 eggs right here, and I got 1.5 cups of evaporated milk right there, or it's 12 ounces, 1.5 same. So I got just a little bit less than a cup of sugar. You can use white sugar, granulated, but I'm using some cane sugar right here. I just love the flavor of the cane sugar inside the pumpkin pie. I just think it's great. And I got a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of salt inside here. I got a quarter teaspoon of ground ginger, and I got a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a quarter teaspoon of ground cloves right in here. So that's gonna go right inside my sugar right here. Gonna mix this in. Eggs are going in as well. 2 eggs right there. Just gonna mix that up. Beautiful. And what I did, guys, never tried this before, but I put a teaspoon of brown rum inside of the evaporated milk. I just want to try the flavor of it inside there. Should be great. Just gonna pour this right in. Or you can use white rum, whatever rum you have that can give a nice flavor. Try that out. This smells so good, guys. Wow. So the crust is in the fridge. It's ready to go right now. I'm gonna roll it out, show you guys, and we're gonna get it in the pie pan. All right. Just gonna pour this right in here. Beautiful. I'm just gonna mix this right in. Beautiful. Get nice and thick. And that is ready to go inside my crust. All right. We're just gonna set this aside, and we're gonna get the crust, and we're gonna roll it out, get it going. Just gonna push it along the side right here. Beautiful. Then we're just gonna cut off all the excess crust that we don't need right here. Get my oven to the right temperature there. Just cut right around. And this already has a nice shape to it, so it will give it a nice shape when you take it out. Beautiful. So I'm just going to use a fork and poke a little bit of hole inside here to get out any air pockets. Just want to push your crust to the pan nicely. Beautiful. All right. So I just poke some holes in the bottom. Now we're gonna get our filling right inside. All right. So okay, this is gonna go in the oven at 425 for 15 minutes. After that 15 minutes, I'm gonna drop the temperature to 350. All right, and let it bake for another. This whole thing should take about 50 to 45 minutes, guys. All right.